Did you know that millions of people around the world are affected by fatty liver disease every single day? It's an often silent but potentially deadly condition. People with obesity, type 2 diabetes and hypertension are more at risk. As this disease is symptom-free in early stages, it is very important to discuss the possibility of fatty liver disease with your doctor. But what if I told you there is a way to detox your liver naturally? In this video, we will guide you through everything you need to know about reversing fatty liver and reclaiming your health. Whether you are already diagnosed or just want to keep your health in optimal shape, this ultimate fatty liver detox guide is your roadmap to a healthier, happier life. Fatty liver disease affects over 1 billion people worldwide, with millions more being diagnosed every year. And here is the kicker. Most people don't even know they have it until it's too late. Fatty liver isn't just a minor health issue. In fatty liver, fat builds up in the liver. If left untreated, it can progress to liver cirrhosis, liver cancer, and ultimately liver failure. This makes understanding and addressing it crucial to your long-term health. So, how does one develop fatty liver? The most common causes are poor diet, obesity, and excessive alcohol consumption. But even non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is on the rise, often linked to insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. Now, let's dive into the good news. The liver is an amazing organ with the ability to heal itself if you give it the right support. The key areas to focus on for detoxing your liver are dietary changes, herbal remedies, hydration, and exercise. First and foremost, diet is critical. Focus on foods that support liver health like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, berries, and fatty fish rich in omega-3s. Avoid refined sugars, processed foods, and unhealthy fats which contribute to liver fat accumulation. Herbal remedies can also play a powerful role. Milk thistle is known for its liver protecting properties. Dandelion root helps with detoxification, and turmeric reduces inflammation. Incorporate these into your daily routine for a natural boost. Hydration is another key component. Water helps flush toxins out of your body and supports every function your liver performs. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Exercise is essential for burning excess fat, including fat in your liver. Incorporate aerobic exercises and resistance training into your weekly routine. Yoga is a gentle form of exercise that can help improve liver function and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Downward facing dog helps to increase blood flow to the liver, improving the liver function. Strengthening core is also helpful for liver function. Plank pose is a great way to strengthen the core muscles which can help support the liver. Seated twist pose helps to improve digestion and promote detoxification. Camel pose stretches the abdominal muscles and improves circulation to the digestive organs including liver. Bridge pose strengthens the lower back and helps to improve the blood flow. Corpse pose, it is the relaxation pose that can help to reduce stress and promote overall well-being, which is important for overall health. Yoga have been found to improve liver enzymes, reduce inflammation, and decrease the accumulation of fat in the liver. It is important to remember that practicing yoga should be done under the guidance of a qualified yoga teacher or healthcare provider, especially if you have a pre-existing medical condition such as liver disease. Don't forget the power of natural vitamins. Vitamin E, D, and omega-3s are particularly beneficial for liver health. While it's the best to get these from your diet, supplements can help fill in the gaps. Last but not least, the gut-liver connection. The gut-liver axis describes the reciprocal relationship between your gut and your liver. Everything you consume or are exposed to travels from the gut to the liver through the portal vein. A healthy gut supports healthy liver function. An unhealthy gut can overburden the liver, increase your risk of intestinal permeability, and allow a buildup of harmful substances. This can cause a variety of metabolic and digestive problems and increase your risk of fatty liver disease. Gut health is essential to overall liver health, and supplements can address wellness or nutritional gaps as you work to address the root cause of your symptoms. Imagine waking up every day with more energy, better digestion, and clear mind. By following this guide, you are taking the first step towards a liver that functions at its best. The liver is central to your overall well-being, and by detoxing it, you are doing more than just improving liver health. You are enhancing your entire life. In summary, fatty liver is a serious but manageable condition. Through dietary changes, herbal remedies, poor hydration, regular exercise, and the right vitamins, you can detox your liver and protect your health. Remember, your liver is your body's detox powerhouse. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Let's take charge of our health together.